Hi, I'm Nicholas, and my channel name is Captain Spotter. So, as you can see, this video, okay. So I want to share a few words to you, since you can't understand what is happening. So I give you a details, and I will share all the details to you so that you will understand. All right. Okay, let's start. So from the Wednesday, last Wednesday, this Wednesday, on the 5th of August, okay. So the MRT depot spotting incident, okay, Wednesday, I went to the MRT depot, okay, for transportation spotting, which is the bus, van, and the plane, and also the MRT Putrajaya line movements go in. I mean, enter the tunnel and out from the tunnel. Okay, so right now, where I wanted to record buses, train, and aircraft, like I mentioned before. Okay, and I brought two phones. One is my Samsung, which is I wanted to track down the flight radar topo on the planes flying across the location. And then and my new phone is OPPO. It's an OPPO. So I began to capture the spotting. Okay. Now the old phone, right? The old phone, which is Samsung. I wanted to listen some music. Okay, like music, background music. So background music is better, but for you, please share it in the comments. If you don't want, or the background music, you don't want any of the background music, is fine. It's completely fine. And yeah, so you share, okay, share in the comments. All right. So next thing I want to say that my old Samsung was working normally, but the OPPO A5, okay, my OPPO phone started having serious overheating problems. So I was using it for spotting related apps, okay? So like including the Putrajaya 2.4, okay? And also the Rapid KL bus tracker. And let's talk for a while. I used a Rapid KL bus tracker like around which app, yeah? City Rail. City Rail. Later I will share in the comments, okay? City Rail is easy and legitimate. I would say that. And why I open this app, because very easy. Then the My Rapid Pause app, because My Rapid Pause app I opened it is like was lagging, so it like wasting so much time, okay, like a bit time lah, a bit time, so a little time, because I want to like track down the bus, see where they all go. You understand? All right. So right now, so at around 5:30 p.m., the OPPO became extremely hot. No shelter at all at the depot there, near the depot, because I'm on the side parking there, side parking. Okay. So it was I tried to start video recording. Okay. The phone displayed a warning saying, please cool down your device. So I was like, my head gonna do blown up. I couldn't like believe that. And then I just give up. Okay, I just give up on the spotting. And then on the Saturday, which is today, Saturday, which is on 8th of August. Actually, I want to go to TBS, Bandar Selatan, for the bus spotting, but cannot. It suddenly like very hot. I get very hot and causing my phone to overheated problems. And like when the incoming bus come, and then it's too late. Well, I mean, you know what I mean, right? Okay, so right now, unfortunately, an incoming train arrived while the phone was overheating. You see what happened, right? Now, so I missed the opportunity to record it. I tried several times, including removing the phone case, but also cannot. So because of this, I was became concerned that future outdoor spotting session, such as the plan Bandar Selatan that I plan to go there, but cannot. It's cancelled. Right. So the main issue is the OPPO A5. I can't really stand under the sun, because I need to I understand lah. I understand the weather, and then it's quite very hot. It's very hot. No rain, no rain. Everything is hot and humid. You know what I mean, right? So it's very hot. If you stand there, okay, like me, you feel like the heat in your body. Yeah. So I mean, you know what I'm saying, right? So yeah, so you understand the all the details and all that. Okay, so you let me know, please let me know in the comments, so that I will just discuss it with you. Okay, bye.